Next section, mental health. From the perspective of positive psychology or holism, mental health may include an individual's ability to enjoy life and create a balance between life activities and efforts to achieve psychological resilience. According to the World Health Organization, mental health includes subjective well-being, perceived self-efficiency, autonomy, competence, intergenerational dependence, and self-actualization of one's intellectual and emotional potential, among others. A widely accepted definition of health by mental health specialist in psychoanalyst Sigmund Freud's the capacity to work and to love. What is mean by mental health? Mental health describes as a level of psychological well-being or an absence of a mental disorder. Can you define mental health? It has been defined as a state of well-being in which every individual realizes his or her own potential, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to her or his community, according to World Health Organization. History of mental health studies. In the mid-19th century, William Switzer was the first to clinically define the term mental hygiene. Dorothy Dix, a school teacher who had campaigned a mental hygiene movement. At the beginning of 20th century, Clifford Beers founded the National Committee for Mental Hygiene and opened the first outpatient mental health clinic in the United States of America. Significance of mental health. Evidence from the World Health Organization suggests that nearly half the world population are affected by mental illness, with an impact on their self-esteem, relationships, and ability to function in everyday life. An individual's emotional health can also impact physical health, and poor mental health can lead to problems such as substance abuse. Maintaining good mental health is crucial to living a long and healthy life. Good mental health can enhance one's life. While poor mental health can prevent enriching life. According to Richard, there is growing evidence that is showing emotional abilities are associated with stress management and physical health. Perspectives of mental health. First perspective, mental well-being. Second, prevention. 3, cultural and religious considerations. 4, emotional mental health issues. Detail going on. First, mental well-being. Mental well-being is generally viewed as a positive attribute such that a person can reach enhanced levels of mental health. A holistic model of mental health generally includes concepts based upon anthropological, educational, psychological, religious, and sociological perspectives, as well as theoretical perspectives from personality, social, clinical, health, and developmental psychology. Second, prevention perspective. Mental health can also be defined as an absence of mental disorder. Focus is increasing on preventing mental disorder. Prevention is beginning to appear in mental health strategies. Prevention of a disorder at a young age may significantly decrease the chances that a child will suffer from a disorder later in life. 3. Cultural and religious considerations. Mental health is a socially constructed and socially defined concept. That is, different societies, groups, cultures, institutions, and professions have very different way of conceptualizing. 4. Emotional mental health issues. Emotional mental disorders are a leading cause of disabilities worldwide. Investigating the degree and severity of untreated emotional mental disorders throughout the world is a top priority of the World Mental Health, WMH. Neuropsychiatric disorders are the leading cause of disability worldwide, accounting for 37% of all healthy life years lost through disease. These disorders are most destructive to low and middle income countries due to their inability to provide their citizens with proper aid. Importance of mental health. First important, mental health improves the quality of life. Second, mental health strengthens and supports our ability. 3. Mental health treatment reduce medical cost. 4. Mental health is good for employers as well as employees. Detail going on. First, mental health improves the quality of life. When we are free of depression, anxiety, excessive stress and worry, addiction and other psychological problems, we are more able to live our lives to the fullest. Peace of mind is a natural condition and is available to everyone. Second, mental health strengthens and supports our ability to have healthy relationships, make good life choices, maintain physical health and well-being, handle the natural ups and downs of life, discover and grow towards our potential. 3. Mental health treatment reduces medical cost. Many research studies have shown that when people receive appropriate mental health care, their use of medical services declines. For example, one study of people with anxiety disorders showed that after psychological treatment, studies have shown that people with untreated mental health problems visit a medical doctor twice as often as people who receive mental health care. 4. Mental health is good for employers. Businesses benefits when employees have good mental health. Mental health is associated with higher productivity, better performance, more consistent work attendance and fewer workplace accidents. Employers can strengthen and safeguard their businesses by choosing employee health plans with strong mental health benefits. Factors that influence mental health. Sociological factors, psychological factors, biological factors, environmental factors, factors of public health policies, lifestyle factors. excessive and activity level, smoking, diet, physical health, abuse, social and community activities, relationships, meditation and other relaxation techniques, healthy sleep, self-esteem, feeling loved, confidence, family breakup or loss, difficult behavior, cycle of mental health. Look at this picture. Positive or negative flow model. Thought, belief. Feeling, emotions. Behaviors, actions. Communicates, given by others. When we having positive thought, experience positive feeling, which create positive behavior, and we can better communication with others. Emotional mental health improvement. Coping with difficult situations, maintaining a positive outlook, focus, flexible and creative, avoidance of risk factors, defense mechanism, enhance an individual's ability, positive sense of self-esteem and social inclusion, positive relationships, participating in activities to relax and take time for yourself. Yoga is a great example of an activity. Mindfulness is considered be a purposeful. Self-care activities. Ten commandments of mental health. 1. Think positively, it easier. 2. Chase ones you love. 3. Continuous learning as long as you live. 4. Learn from your mistakes. 5. Exercise daily. It enhances your well-being. 6. Do not complicate your life unnecessarily. 7. Try to understand and encourage those around you. 8. Do not give up successes in life. It's a marathon. 9. Discover and narrate your talents. 10. Set goals for yourself and pursue your dreams. World Mental Health Day. World Mental Health Day 10th October is a day for global mental health education, awareness and advocacy. It was first celebrated in 1992 at the initiative of World Federation for Mental Health, a global mental health organization with members and contacts with more than 150 countries. This day each October, the thousands of supporters come to celebrate this annual awareness program to bring attention to mental illness and its major effects on people's life worldwide. Mental Health Week 8 to 12th October. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.